Who is Femi Otedola? Femi Otedola is a businessman, philanthropist, former chairman of Forte Oil, plc and importer of fuel products. Femi Otedola was born on 4 November 1962, to Michael Otedola and Lady Doja in Ibadan. He is currently 58 years. Sir Michael Otedola was a one-time Lagos state governor, who served from 1992 to 1993. Femi Otedola had his first degree at Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife. Femi Otedola is married to Nana Otedola and they are blessed with 4 children. He has homes in London, New York, Lagos, Dubai and Abuja. He started his career right from his home in the 1980s. Femi Otedola worked as a marketing personnel for his family printing business for a while before venturing into oil and gas business was an opportunity which led him to establish Zenon Petroleum Oil and Gas Limited in 2003. Zenon Petroleum Oil and Gas has 147,000 mount storage capacity capable of distributing fuels to large manufacturing companies in Nigeria. Zenon went further to obtain 2,807% Shaven Petroleum Limited. Femi Otedola was later appointed the chairman and chief executive officer of African Petroleum Limited, 56% shares in total, making him the largest shareholder of African Petroleum Limited. Femi Otedola is also the president of Seaforth Shipping Company Limited. Femi Otedola advanced constituently in his business career and diversified into the financial industry. He is one of the major shareholders in Zenith and United Bank of Africa. May you continue to excel in your endeavor. For sponsorship and advert, please call 0814591697.